Let's make slime with Orbeez. Here is our ingredient list. So let's start. We take 1 cup of Orbeez. So nice. Now I think you can put cornstarch. Good. Now we add glue. Very good.
I think I had to know with a spoon. Mix.
Okay, you can mix it. And now we add shaving foam. Let me help you. Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Next is food color.
What is some more?
Okay, now you can mix it again. Nice color we will have.
Making soda will help.
Next we put baking soda.
Now I have to mix.
I think we have to add more Orbeez. Better now, right? Mix well.
Slime ball.
And the last we add lens solution. Now it's becoming sticky. Our slime is ready! Wow, it's so nice! So fluffy! And so nice color and so many Orbeez inside. So much fun! Awesome! And your hands are not sticky. Very good.